Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you a story. You know, when I used to live in Muddy Waters' house, I used to spend a lot of time on his porch. You know, just watching people, you know. There's all kinds of people that used to come by. There used to be a wino that came by every week. He wore like a long overcoat in the summertime. And you could see the bottle of the pint of wine sticking out of his coat pocket, you know. And he had a kitty cat. And the kitty cat was tied to his belt. And then he had a sock on the cat's head, looked like a beret. And he had a pair of baby sunglasses on the cat, you know. And he'd walk down the street like that. I said, "Man, what's the name of your cat, man?" He said, "Man, that's Cool Cat." But he was a cool cat. And he played his melody like this. And all the little kids in the neighborhood would get behind him and start dancing. He'd be like, and they'd be dancing, you know. They'd be doing little circles and stuff. Man, it was just a beautiful sight to see. So I wrote this little song for that.